Hello, my name is Muhammad Akil Ashraf Pazuri. My ID matrix is PC24132. We are here to talk about the effect of digital payment in small business or micro business in Malaysia. First of all, what is the digital payment? Digital payment refers to transaction made through electronic modes such as e-wallets, online banking and mobile payment apps like Touch and Go, GrabPay and Boost. Over the past decade, Malaysia has been a rapid shift toward a cashless society. Okay, there are four parts for these discussions, and first of all is a rising issue. Second is theory and applications. Third is relevant data, and lastly is suggestion for improvement. Before we go that, I want to tell you why we make this video. We make this video to explore how digital payment system are effective to business performance in Malaysians, especially in micro and small business. First of all, we go with rising issue. We have five issue at digital payment, and first issue is adoptions barrier of for older or rural business owner. For example, lack of technical knowledge and digital infrastructure, and some reside the shift due to unfamiliarity or trust issues. And second issue is transaction fees and maintenance costs. For example, although convenient, some platform charge transaction fees which can affect profit margins for small business. The third issue is security concern. For example, risk of phone scam or data breaches, discouraging some user. And next issue is dependence on internet connectivity. For example, business in areas with poor internet face difficulty using digital payment tools. And the last issue is integration with business system. It's like not all business have proper system to track sales and inventory digitally, leading to inefficiency.
Okay, so the first one is the theory for digital payment. Digital payment are systems like mobile wallets, online banking, or QR code payments. They are fast, convenient, and changing the way money moves. Okay, so the first one is money move faster. Digital payment make transactions quicker. This increase the speed at which money flows in the economy, helping business grow and boosting overall economic activity. So the second one is lower transaction cost. So it's sending or receiving money digitally is cheaper than using cash or checks. This makes it easier for people and business to buy and sell things, especially in rural or remote areas. Next one is more people can join the financial system. So with digital system, even people without a bank account can save money, get loans and start small business. This is called financial inclusion. So the next, larger networks bring more value. The more people use digital payments, the more useful they become. It is like how more people on a social media app make it more fun to use. The last one is people spend differently. When it is easy to pay, people often spend more. This can increase business income, but it also needs to be managed wisely. Okay, next we will talk about real life application. Okay, first one is boosting the economy. In countries like India, the rest of system like UPI help small business grow and made shopping easier for everyone. This help the whole economy. Okay, second one is better tax collection. So digital payment leave a record. This help governments reduce tax evasion and collect more money for public service. Third one is helping the poor. So in Kenya, a service called M-Pesa help millions of people save and borrow money without needing a bank. This reduce poverty and help families improve their lives. Next is faster government help. Okay, so during emergency, government can send money directly to people's phones quickly and safely. And next is new business models. So digital payment allow for things like online shopping, subscription and food delivery apps, all of which create new jobs and services. So the last one is risk and challenge. So of course there are also risks like online fraud, scams, and the need to protect personal data. And not everyone has a smartphone or internet, so we need to make sure nobody is left behind. So to sum up, digital payment make economies faster, fairer, and more open. They help government, business, and ordinary people, but we must manage the risk and ensure everyone get the benefits.
Assalamualaikum. I will continue about relevant data. Overview of digital payments in Malaysia. For the first point is adoption rates. Over 80% of the population uses e-wallets and online banking from 2023, driven by government initiative and COVID-19. For the next one is economic impact. Digital economy projected to account for 22.6% of GDP by 2025, MDEC report. For the last one is consumer behavior. Preference for digital payments due to convenience and speed, enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. For the next slide, benefits and challenges of digital payments. First one, operational efficiency. 30% reduction in transaction processing time for businesses using digital payments. Next one is access to market. SMEs can reach border markets, increasing sales opportunities. Next one is financial inclusion. Access to banking services for unbanked populations. Next one is regulatory support. Government policies like the digital economy blueprint foster growth. For the challenges, cybersecurity risks, need for digital literacy, and initial implementation costs.
Suggestion for improvement. The first of all, improving digital infrastructure while e-wallets like DNG and digital payments like online banking have become widely used in urban areas. Many businesses outside of these areas continue to struggle with a limited access to digital tools and poor internet connectivity. To guarantee that all businesses, regardless of location, can take advantage of cashless solution, the government and telecom companies can collaborate to increase high-speed internet access nationwide. Improving cybersecurity and building trust is essential. Also, is the improvement for suggestion improvement. As more transactions happen online, the risk of scams and data breaches increases. To improve business confidence, digital payment providers must invest in stronger security features like biometric authentication, fraud detection system, and transaction alerts. At the same time, the government should update regulation and increase enforcement against online fraud to protect both businesses and consumers. Suggestion for improvement. The next suggestion for improvement is ease the connection between digital payment application and business system. At the moment, most businesses rely on separate apps for sales, payment, and accounting. If you know each of these apps can play well together, for instance, having TNG e-wallet talk to the cash register or accounting system can lessen the flight time, sidesteps error, and let business owner better grasp their mullah. This can give greater opportunity for work to be automated and also with acting on smarter business decision. Offer financial incentive or digital tax breaks much in the way of the earlier e-Pemula or e-Tunai initiative for consumers. A similar method can be crafted for businesses, subsidies, grants or tax breaks for using certified digital modes of payment could promote greater digital payment adoption among businesses, particularly for micro enterprises.
Okay, this lastly is conclusions. Digital payment system have revolution how business operate in Malaysia. For example, increasing convenience, improving customer experience, and helping streamline operations. Next, why the benefit are substantial, challenges like cost, accessibility, and digital literacy remain critical issues that need addressing. And lastly is to fully leverage the benefits, more support should be provided to micro and small business in adopting this technology. For example, training, subsidies, and improve the infrastructure. Okay, that's all our video, and thank you.